In this video, we will learn how to configure login inactivity timer on Cisco router. So first of all, this is my router and I have configured an IP address of 192.168.232.2 and the telnet and username is already configured as you can see in my configuration. Enable password is configured. The password policy which I have taught you in the previous lecture is also configured. Username for local login is configured here, and the telnet is configured to login local. And here you can see one command is exact timeout, that is login inactivity timeout. It means if someone has taken the remote access will be when someone logins, it will be for forever. By default, Cisco end the low end the your telnet session or SSH session after 10 minutes, but you can configure the login inactivity timer by configuring this exact timeout command. Like if someone has logged into your router and he or she has not he is or she is not working on the remote session, you can disconnect the session after some second or some minutes. So let's see how we can configure this login inactivity timer. So first of all, you have to go to the global configuration mode and then on whichever line you want to configure this setting. Suppose I want to end the telnet session after 10 seconds of idle time. So I will type exec hyphen timeout. Here you can specify the minutes. I am specifying 0 and second I am giving is 10 for this particular purpose. By default, Cisco recommend you set a 3 minute timeout for security purpose. So I am only for this practical. I am going to set. I have set the practical timeout in 10 second due to the duration of this practical. You can set whatever you want. So I will take the remote session because in my topology you can see that I have connected my router to the host machine and the host machine has IP address of 192.168.232.1. So I have to type here 192.168.232.2 because router has IP address .2. I have shown you earlier, and here I have to select the telnet and click on open. So once I log in with my credential, so if I do nothing for 10 seconds, my session will end automatically, as you can see here. So automatically after 10 seconds, my session will be closed. So in this way, you can configure the login inactivity timeout on Cisco router. Thanks for watching.